welcome to All About Knowledge. Today we will learn how to create in Tableau these kind of jar. Let me show you the example. We will select subcategory into the row and the reason here the column. So now we have already the subcategory and reason here. As you can see, the profit we will drag into the text. You can drag here also and you can directly put it here. So yeah, now we have the value. Now it's time to put it in the colors and everything. So there is some circle here and the color with matching negative value is red and the positive value is green. So for that I will select this to the circle. The circle is already here, so I will just drag it a little bit. So what I will do, I will take it profit from here and drag into the color field. So this, as you can see here, the negative value is already come in the this orange and blue. We can customize according to our choice. So see the negative value in the orange color and positive is in the blue color. So before we moving to the customize, so we will click on the label, then font. We will select match mark color. So the circle and the value will be matched with the colors. So I will click here, edit color, and I will select negative as a red and positive as a green. Okay, then we will move to the advanced. I will select start with 1 and end with the maximum value here is a 19,300, so I will select 20,000. Okay, I will apply, and now what I will do, use full color range. Okay, and the stamped color I will select here 2. So as you can see now the color has been changed, and whatever we were looking, we got it. I hope you like this video. Thank you.